Plant FAQs, Philodendron lime fiddle, Philodendron golden dragon. Philodendron lime fiddle, your guide to this unique houseplant. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Philodendron lime fiddle, a stunning houseplant known for its vibrant lime green variegated leaves. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for this tropical beauty. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. The Philodendron lime fiddle, also known as Philodendron golden dragon or Philodendron minarum, is a climbing aroid with captivating foliage. Unlike its classic green philodendron counterparts, the lime fiddle boasts stunning lime green variegation that dances across its violin-shaped, fiddle-shaped, hence the name, leaves. This unique patterning adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. Origin story. The exact origins of the Philodendron lime fiddle remain a bit of a mystery. Some believe it's a natural mutation of Philodendron sellum, while others suggest it's a hybrid. Regardless, this plant has stolen the hearts of houseplant enthusiasts worldwide. How to care for Philodendron lime fiddle. Now that you're smitten with the lime fiddle, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of caring for this beauty. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Your Philodendron lime fiddle prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are ideal. Water. Like most philodendrons, the lime fiddle enjoys a well-draining potting mix that allows the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a major culprit for root rot. Aim for watering when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. These tropical plants thrive in moderate to high humidity levels, around 50 to 60%. If your home is dry, consider using a pebble tray or humidifier to create a more moisture-rich environment. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, for your lime fiddle. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat vents. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, a monthly dose of diluted liquid fertilizer can be beneficial. Opt for a balanced fertilizer formulated for houseplants. Reduce or stop fertilizing during fall and winter. Climbing habits. As your Philodendron lime fiddle matures, it will naturally want to climb. Provide a moss pole or core totem for it to scale and achieve a bushier, more mature appearance. Propagation. Feeling adventurous? Philodendron lime fiddle can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with a node and aerial root, plant it in a well-draining potting mix, and maintain consistent moisture until new growth emerges. Common problems and solutions. Even with the best care, your lime fiddle might encounter some minor issues. Here are some common problems and how to address them. Brown leaves. This can be a sign of underwatering, overwatering, or sunburn. Check your watering routine and adjust as needed. If the damage is extensive, consider pruning the affected leaves. Yellowing leaves. This could indicate nutrient deficiency, lack of light, or aging leaves. Try fertilizing occasionally and ensure your plant receives sufficient indirect light. Stunted growth. If your lime fiddle isn't putting out new leaves, it might be root-bound. Consider repotting it into a slightly larger pot with fresh potting mix. Conclusion. The Philodendron lime fiddle is a captivating houseplant with unique charm. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that adds a touch of vibrant elegance to your indoor space for years to come. Remember, a happy lime fiddle rewards you with stunning foliage and a sense of accomplishment. After all, you've successfully nurtured a piece of the tropics in your own home. So, if you're ready to embrace the challenge and witness the beauty of this unique philodendron unfold, I encourage you to give the lime fiddle a try.